Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change email storage. First, navigate to your email provider settings, usually found under a gear icon or your profile picture. Look for a section labeled Storage or Manage Account. Here, you'll see a clear breakdown of your current usage against your total allocated space. Many free accounts offer around 15 gigabytes, so knowing your limit is crucial for effective management. This initial step provides a vital overview before you begin making changes. Once you've assessed your overall storage, the next step is to pinpoint the biggest space consumers. Utilize your email search function with filters like has, attachment, or size, larger than 10 megabytes to find hefty messages. Sorting your inbox by size is also incredibly effective. Prioritize deleting old emails with large attachments, especially those from years ago or promotional content you never opened. This targeted approach helps you reclaim significant space efficiently. After identifying and sorting, it's time for action. For emails you want to keep but don't need immediate access to, use the archive function. This moves them out of your main inbox but keeps them accessible. For truly unnecessary emails, ensure you permanently delete them, often by emptying your trash or deleted items folder. Remember, simply moving to trash doesn't always free up space immediately. For very large attachments, download them to your computer or cloud storage before deleting the original email. To prevent your email storage from filling up again, adopt proactive habits. Regularly unsubscribe from any newsletters or promotional emails you no longer read. This significantly reduces incoming clutter. Implement email filters to automatically categorize or delete certain types of messages. For instance, direct all social media notifications to a specific folder. Finally, make it a habit to review your storage usage every few months, perhaps quarterly, to stay on top of your email management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.